I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting a consistent color space and bit depth so lighting reacts predictably. Turn layers into 3D and add an ambient light to establish base exposure. This prevents blown blacks. Then add a single key light to block in form and direction. Once done, parent your light nulls to control rigs and pre-compose heavy footage to reduce render cost. You do this now so later adjustments remain non-destructive, and so the next steps can focus on shaping rather than rebuilding your scene. Next, refine how lights interact. Adjust shadow darkness and specular on a per-light basis to control highlights versus midtones. Switch falloff to inverse square for physically plausible drop-off, and tweak intensity curves so lights blend rather than compete. Make selective adjustment layers, curves for contrast, levels for exposure, and glow for bloom, then mask them to affect only silhouettes or highlights. Once you set these, use light linking or solo layers to isolate problem areas. Finish by rendering low-resolution previews to verify exposure, shadow clipping, and color casts before committing. Make final tweaks. Balance color with selective color correction, add a subtle fill or rim light if subjects lack separation, and apply noise or dither to hide banding. If you see banding, switch to 16 or 32-bit and add grain. This fixes posterization without altering tones. Finally, export with the correct color profile and save a layered version so you can revisit lights if client notes come in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.